Script 1. What is artificial intelligence? Psych long version. Welcome to Tech Logic Explained. Today we will talk about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, allows machines to learn, analyze data, and make decisions similar to human intelligence. Today, AI is used in healthcare, finance, education, transportation, content creation, and many other fields. AI systems can recognize images, translate languages, answer questions, detect emotions, and even write code. Modern AI tools such as ChatGPT, Bard, Midjourney, and Copilot can automate everyday tasks and improve productivity. In the future, AI will support doctors in diagnosing diseases, help teachers personalize learning, and allow autonomous vehicles to navigate safely on the streets. AI is not here to replace humans, but to help us work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Stay tuned for more technology insights.